Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome. This is a video of unboxing iPhone 13. The package was super light. I ordered iPhone 13 Pro in gold and it took about a week to arrive to New Zealand. Apple doesn't even send you charger anymore or even earbuds. This is such a beautiful phone. Look at it. Ta-da! The phone came only with a USB-C cable. I guess Apple assumes that you already have an iPhone charger, or you can spend $35 to buy one. Size-wise, obviously iPhone 13 is larger and it's a tiny bit heavier too. I was so surprised when I got my very first iPhone that people are carrying this heavy thing around all day long, but now I don't even notice. Both of them are gold, but the new iPhone 13 looks a little bit lighter gold. I love the new product design, I love the edge on the new iPhone, and it really matches with the new Mac style as well. This is a beautiful, clean, sharp display. Setting up Face ID takes longer than the last time I did it on iPhone 11. It feels like iPhone 13 will recognize my face from more angles. Nice UX and UI, by the way. Okay, let's test the cameras. This is the close-up camera on video. I cannot tell a lot of difference. Perhaps my dog isn't the best subject. This is a close-up on pictures, and of course no filter is used. And I find the colors are truer colors on iPhone 13. This is the front camera. Again, iPhone 13 provides truer colors. And you can even see my wrinkles and pores. Oh my gosh, what was I thinking to include this picture? Anyway, moving on. This is the back camera. Now we can see the difference. iPhone 13 definitely makes sharper, clearer videos. This is the wide angle camera, and it looks like iPhone 13 took a little bit wider pictures. And finally, cinematic view. Well, this is the winner for me. I just love this feature. iPhone 11 cannot compete here. I am recording this video on iPhone 11. So this iPhone is nearly 3 years old and it is still okay. However, the Bluetooth function just doesn't work properly, and also maybe because my storage is really low on the phone, it just slowed the whole phone down. So the reason why I ordered a new iPhone is my phone is my main camera. I do not use a DSLR camera to create videos. So what I'm going to do with my iPhone 11, I'm going to send it back to Apple to service it. So I would highly recommend getting an Apple Care when you buy a new Apple product. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.